Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Princess, and for today's video I'm going to do a inspired makeup by Nikki Tutorials, and that is the Phantom of Makeup mask, and it was inspired by Shawn Mendes' picture. I guess it's from the latest album. For those of you who are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press that bell button so that you guys get notified whenever I upload new videos to my channel. And let's go started. So first I'm going to do in this side, because in here there's like a war going on here because of my pimples like breakout, and we're gonna trace this side so that we can trace the mask around here. So let's go started to trace the mask. I'm going to use this elf cosmetics, I think it's the coffee. Maybe I'm going to go to right here, and I'm just gonna go pinpoint everything and then make I'm going to use this NYC crayon in the shade of taupe, because this one it doesn't clear out, so I'm just gonna go connect the dots. I don't even know if it is right, so whatever, we're just gonna go right away. And then I'm going to use this Etude House Play 101 Stick Foundation. I think this is in the shade Sand. I'm gonna go apply it to my face. Now we're going to use this ColourPop No Filter Concealer. We're just gonna go conceal the under eye. And then now we're gonna go fill in my eyebrow, just eyebrow, because there's only one. And then I'm going back to a concealer because that's too white. Use a flat and angled brush. I'm going to use this Brow Precise Volumizer. This is a fiber one from Maybelline. And then now we're going to set our face. I'm going to use this Airspun Coty. This is an extra coverage. So now we're going to do our eyeshadow. And I'm going to use this Take Me Back to Brazil palette. This is a BH cosmetic one. I'm thinking about to use a yellow and orange first, and then later on we'll decide which one I'm gonna go use, but I wanted to do a colorful one. The yellow one right here. I'm going to use the orange one right here. And then I'm going to use a little bit of red. This one, I'm going to use this red one over here, right here. And I'm gonna go blend those here. And then now we're gonna go try to do a cut crease. I've been struggling to do a perfect cut crease, so if I didn't make it right again, then I need to practice more. So I'm going to use a flat brush. And then now we're going to use this Take Me Back Brazil, but this one is Rio edition. I'm going to try to use this green right here, and then that blue, and then this one right here. And next, I am going to try this more precise color. I'm gonna go to the blue one. Purple one right here. Let's see if it's too dark enough. Too dark enough to use it. I'm gonna go back to the green and fill that in right there. I'm gonna go back to the thing. We were gonna mimic the one on the upper lashes. Come on. Oh, not this one. This one. I'm going to use this Master Contour by Maybelline. And we're gonna use blush. I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Loose Highlighting Powder. just need to clean it up. I'm gonna go start right here. Hey, we have the brown one. I'm just gonna go trace this. And I'm just gonna go try to use a contour powder or a bronzer to look it like not that, like a little bit dramatic maybe. So guys, this is the final look.